Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to VOPNUCITY Ocean View Estate, located at Mosere Kogo Villa, behind Eko Akete, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos State of Nigeria. This VOPNUCITY Ocean View Estate has the title Governor's Consent. And in this estate, we sell 500 square meters. We also sell 300 square meters. 500 square meters goes for 22 million, while the 300 square meter goes for 13.2 million. And the good thing about this very estate is that there is a coastal road that is passing through the back of this estate. At the back like this, the coastal road coming from Victoria Island to Lekki Free Trade Zone and the Dangote refinery. And you know, when a major road passes through an estate, it makes that estate to appreciate. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to VOPNUCITY Ocean View with the title Governor's Consent. And with 5 million naira, you can secure a property here. You can secure a plot of property with the initial deposit of 5 million and spread the balance in 3 months. And if it passes 3 months, it is going to attract another charge. So ladies and gentlemen, come and invest now, because in few years to come, this place will sell very, very high. And the good thing about investment is that when you invest, when the price is affordable or cheap, and then when you are reselling, you resell with high price. So VOPNUCITY Ocean View will give you a high return on your investment. Therefore, call the number on the screen and I will be very glad to help you book for inspection. And then when you come for inspection and see how beautiful this place is, then you will make your investment. Ladies and gentlemen, the time to invest is now. And the place to invest is VOPNUCITY Ocean View. Thank you very much, and God bless you.